Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share you my day 3 experience on OFA challenge. So as you can see, it is like 12:14 a.m. at night and I am shooting this video late because today in the daytime I had a heated discussion with a stupid person and I was being totally aggressive, which was not good for me. Similarly, after that my sister came from her house and she was tested positive for COVID-19 test, and I was a little bit sad, but later on I made my mind and I went to support her. So that's why it was a bit little late. I watched this One Funnel Away challenge day 3 mission and now I have completed to watch it and now I'm going to share it with you guys. So today's lesson was who not how, and this was one of the beautiful lesson that I have learned here in One Funnel Away challenge. So basically it was like this is us and this is our vision, we want to reach here. And now what actually happens is when we move forward, then we get stuck in some point, and in life that happens, right? We see something and we move forward, but we get stuck in some places, and then we start to think like, how can I overcome from this stuck place? Okay, for example, in case of funnel, designing a funnel, maybe we don't know how to make a logo and we get stuck there and we start to think, how can I make logo, and according to this lesson, it would be a wrong approach to think at the stop point that how can I do something. Instead, we need to think about who have already done such thing, and we need to hire them to do it for us. So that kind of lesson this first video gave us. Similarly, there were other two, and in this we talked about our copies, I mean sales copies. So how we can do better if we got stuck while making our sales copy. Those things were taught in this short video, and Stephen's coaching call was like again boom, and then he started to he also shared his experience how he used to go to ClickFunnels office at 6 a.m. and from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. he used to build his business, and from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. he used to help Russell Brunson to build Russell's business, and that kind of story he was saying. And there were lots of things like green dot and red dot. So red dot means in red dot there were some like logo designing, graphic designing, so that doesn't make money, right? So that lies on a red dot side, which we can hire people and complete that task. And in green dot section there were writing sales copy things, or building a system that generates revenue, and those were kept in green dots. So that kind of stuff he taught us. Now the day by day I am taking OFA challenge. However, I am a little bit down today, but still this OFA challenge is regularly providing value. It is showing us how we need to move forward and what is the difference between a funnel and a business. Funnel and business is not the same thing. That kind of things also I learned from this lesson today, and it was really nice that I'm developing myself day by day, and I am pretty confident that I will soon build a beautiful online business for myself using affiliate marketing especially because I am a cost per action marketer and I know how marketing is done. But this OFA challenge is being able to blow my mind day after day, and now I am confident that I will build a business, because I have already started to build my several traffic sources, okay, from day one. So I'll also put the link of the OFA challenge in the description below. You can see that I'm offering a sweet bonus that you'll absolutely love if you watch that. And one more thing, if this time before you join OFA challenge, then I would like to suggest you to read a book that is called Traffic Secret. I'll leave that link also in the description of this video. You can get that book for free by paying a small shipping charge, and it will be in your hand as soon as possible. And you go through that book, and once you read that book, you'll understand. Because if you make a funnel and you don't have the free traffic sources which are going to give traffic to your funnel, then that funnel is worthless, right? Now Traffic Secrets will open every pore of your mind how to get free traffic from Facebook, Instagram, or let's say what were others, YouTube. And there are every platform that has potential to give you free traffic. They will teach you about those things and how you can take action according to the Traffic Secret book and get massive traffic to your funnel, okay? I'm not talking about 1%, 2%, massive traffic. There are strategies that are shown that will work even after 20 years, 30 years, 40 years from now. So that book is The Diamond, and that book made me understand so many things, that my vision changed from getting paid traffic to free traffic. Now I've almost paused all of my paid ads in CPM marketing also. Now I'm going full-time with free traffic, and I have also built various free traffic sources that will generate me good commission in upcoming days. So guys, these were the experience of my day 3. Now there is another for day 4. It is already released. Now I'll watch it tomorrow, and again I'll share it with you. So you can subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please don't hesitate to hit that like button, and also do subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more videos related to One Funnel Away challenge day by day, so that I can make you understand what actually the One Funnel Away challenge is. So guys, take care, have a good day, bye bye.